Meaning of central. Central is an adjective meaning located in the middle or most important and essential. It can refer to position, importance, or control. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. The hotel is in a central location. 2. She played a central role in the project. 3. Delhi is the central hub for politics. 4. Water is central to life. 5. He lives in central Mumbai. 6. Honesty is central to their values. 7. The central issue is still unresolved. 8. They met at the central bus station. 9. Education is central to national development. 10. The office is in a central area of the city.